Preparation starts long before the first buzzer sounds. For these students, it's not just about knowing the answers, it's about strategy, speed, and teamwork. Let's speak with the teams to see how they're feeling for today's match.
I'm a little bit nervous right now, but I just want to go out there and execute and do as well as we normally do in training. School Challenge Quiz is like a sport to me, and we would just love to play to the best of our abilities and most importantly play as a team with God by our side.
Queens, up, Queens, up, Floriette, straight, Floriette, straight.
I know I can speak for my teammates definitely when I say that we are ecstatic about this first match. Our game was delayed somewhat, but nevertheless we are not nervous. We believe in the preparation that we have had over the past months, and we are confident that today it is the Virtute et Oritonia Teachfield High that will be victorious.
Under pressure, you usually try to control them and say, if I get this wrong, focus on the next question, because they would have most likely know it or have a knowledge or can assist another teammate with it. So I would usually motivate them and say, alright, that gone, so next one, more did it for come. So they have more questions for answer and get correctly.
One team, one dream. Alright, so usually before we begin our journey, we'd usually pray. And when we get to the studio, we'd usually pray before our match.
Hi guys. This year, St. Mary High School is celebrating their 65th anniversary. One Banana Republic.
There is no fear, because in everything we've done before, we are prepared for every eventuality, whether winning or losing, but the goal is still winning.
Aqua, one nation,
unified, Aqua Pride.
Well, preparation going into this match is the same. We play each question on their merit, and we don't take anything for granted. We don't think about outcome, we just think about executing and working together cohesively as one unit.
We're wishing St. Jago all the best. We love you and we know you can do it. St. Jago, number one!
I think we have prepared hard and far enough that we can win today and go to the third round.
I'm confident that these boys will win this match. We've put in the work. We've had a week since we've had some time since our first match, and they have studied assiduously, and I'm proud of them.
So we're feeling very enthusiastic and composed, but nonetheless we're very eager. We cannot forget all that we have done to come to this point. A lot of sacrifices and a lot of efforts have been made to, become what we are today and garnered, So we're just very enthusiastic about today, and we'll do our very best.
We have put in the work, so we are looking forward to the victory.
Before each match, what we like to do is we like to ensure that everyone is in high spirits. So if it is even to begin with something rather jovial, I have a little thing I tell them every day, before each match, to just ensure that everyone, for one, is not looking too serious like at the world end, and to just ensure that everyone is playing the game and enjoying the game, so each man can play at the best. Floret Collegium, fervent opus in campis.
Honestly, I feel like we've prepared long enough and feel like we're going to do good today, honestly.
Old Harbour High School is known as a top school in school chance quiz. Usually going to the semi-finals. We've not managed to win any title as yet, but this season we've been preparing very rigorously, and we believe that today it should be reflected in our preparation.
We feel confident going into today's match, knowing our coach trained us very well.
Well, I am confident in my team, knowing that we have spent the hours training them and preparing them for this match. And I know, even though it's a difficult challenge, I know they can stand up to that difficulty and they can come through successfully.
I think we're going to be doing excellent. We put in a lot of work and we motivated all of them, and we're here to show our support to our team.
Knowledge, skill, discipline, home of champions.